Hi, my name is Pearl and I'm the beading gem. Are you like me? Do you detest spending money on expensive inkjet cartridges just to print labels? Then this review on the Munbyn thermal printer is for you. I will cover its potential business and home uses as well as tips on how to get started. The Munbyn is a compact, well-made thermal printer which does not need any ink. What it does is to selectively heat the special thermal labels as they pass through the thermal print head so that the text or image parts turn black. It therefore does not print in color. As you can see from this unboxing, the printer comes with the power cable, the USB cord for connecting to your computer, a few labels, and a few freebies. Separately available are white as well as colored labels in rolls or as flat fan-fold shipping labels. This particular model, the Real Writer RW401, comes in either pink or blue. It also has the option for Wi-Fi connection, which is what I will be demonstrating on my phone. There are voice prompts, hence the speaker in front of the unit. The main power button is at the back on one side and the power outlet and USB port on the other. The label holder is an additional accessory which I highly recommend. It is easy to assemble or disassemble as required. There are gaps at the bottom of the label holder so it can be placed over the power cord. I followed the given instructions for app installation and Bluetooth connection to my home Wi-Fi network. Turn on the unit and the printer wakes up. It will tell you if you haven't inserted the label at all or incorrectly.
Welcome to the Munbyn printer. Out of label. Cover is open. Wi-Fi connected.
Once it registers the label, it will do its configuration. I found the best way to ensure correct label placement is to bring the label feed right over the front black roller. Also ensure the two guides at the back are set as close together in order to keep the label feed even. There are several preset designs from Munbyn. I selected a thank you one for their 2-inch or 51 cm round label. I removed the unwanted text, double-clicked on the text I wanted to change. The software offers some customization, but as you can see, there was only one choice for font. You can save the label either locally, which is on the phone, or online with an account. But to really customize your own labels, it's best to create your own. I used Canva for the text fonts and graphics I wanted. The image must be transparent. The easiest way is to save to the phone's camera roll and create an album for label designs. Once the image is selected from the album, it can be adjusted in terms of size and placement. Save and then print. Here is the comparison between saving locally, i.e. on the phone, as well as online. As mentioned before, the online method is more reliable. Saving onto phones will be variable depending on what operating system and phone you use. Be absolutely sure you are selecting the right label size for your project, because otherwise this happens. Yes, I made that mistake twice. The printer works fast, durable, and no smudging immediately after printing, unlike inkjet printers. The smallest round labels they have are the 2-inch or 51 cm ones. So they don't really work for my small earring cards because my earrings obscured the labels. I would love to see smaller round label options. However, these round holographic labels look great when used with my larger earring cards. This printer is so useful for small businesses because you can create all kinds of product labels, such as thank you ones. You can print as many or as little as you need. I had to figure out which design I preferred. The biggest time saver is in shipping labels. Shown here is the way I currently prepare one. I first print out the shipping label on paper, which had to be trimmed. I then used a shipping label envelope. As you can see, it's sometimes tricky to do a good job with the adhesive envelope. Contrast it with the speed using a thermal printed label. It certainly saves time and effort. No label envelope, neatly done. Arguably, the best use of thermal labels in the home are for spice jars. I used a leaf graphic on Canva and a Munbyn font. The 2-inch labels look great on either larger or smaller jars. The adhesive is strong. I tested these labels with some water and the black parts did not run. Dirty finger marks can easily be wiped off, unlike my old chalkboard style labels. I was so impressed with these thermal labels, I replaced all my kitchen labels. It didn't take very long either. I suggest testing the durability of the labels in your dishwasher. While the adhesive held well, the graphic did fade in my dishwasher, so my jars will have to be hand washed. One final tip. I had space for all 3 label types I tested. As you can see, a stack of the fan fold labels can fit below the rolls. I hope you found this useful. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for all kinds of crafting tutorials and tips. Also check out my blog, The Beading Gem, for more jewelry making tutorials, tips, and inspirations. Until next time, bye.